Hey everyone, welcome back to Elektor TV. In today's video, we're going to unbox and assemble the Elektor Surf Synthesizer Kit. Let's get started. Let's see what's inside the box. The packaging itself is quite appealing, showcasing a vibrant picture of the assembled kit on the front and a detailed schematic and descriptions on the back. This gives us a great preview of what we're about to build. In keeping with the tradition of electro classics, this kit also includes a wooden stand, adding both stability and a touch of elegance to your finished project. Next, we find the PCB designed by Elektor for this synthesizer. The Elektor Surf Synthesizer imitates the sound of breaking waves. It's based on a circuit published in the 1972 summer edition of Elektor to celebrate the Summer Olympics held that year in Munich, Germany. The kit contains all the required parts. It's easy to build using only through-hole components. It comes with a 9-volt battery holder, a range of resistors, capacitors, transistors, and diodes, plus a compact speaker. Everything is well organized and labeled for ease of use. If you have the PCB, assembling the circuit is really easy. The only thing you have to keep in mind is to work your way up in component size. Start with the diodes, then the resistors, and save the electronic capacitors for the end. Finally, you should mount the battery holder that goes on the rear side of the board. The Elektor Surf Synthesizer can be considered a real analog music synthesizer. Let's have a look at the schematic. Transistor T7 serves as the noise generator. T8 amplifies the lead signal and sends it through the VCF and VCA. 3A stable multivibrators produce 3 periodic signals, each with a different frequency and duty cycle. They are added together and smoothed to create a slowly and a semi-randomly varying voltage across R18. The signal modulates the VCF and VCA. The control signal is smoothed a bit more by the VCA. Adjusting the circuit is simple and quick, but personal. Connect a speaker or headphones and turn P1 and P2 to their maximum position. You should hear a continuous and moderated noise. Turn VCF back until you are happy with the wave effect. Then adjust P2 to improve realism. Playing around a bit with both triggers will help you obtain the sound you like best. Excited to build your own source synthesizer? Grab the kit today at a special price on the Elektor store. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of this offer.